Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best plastic polishes available on the market today. From restoring clarity to scratch surfaces to giving your plastic a fresh, like-new finish, these products are designed to deliver real results. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a DIYer, or just someone looking to revive worn-out plastics, you'll find the perfect option here. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's dive right into it. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Novus 7136 Plastic Polish Kit, 2 ounces. If you're looking for a compact but effective solution to clean and polish plastic surfaces, this kit is a great choice. It includes 3 2-ounce bottles of polish. Number 1 for cleaning and shining. Number 2 for removing fine scratches. And number 3 for tackling heavy scratches. Plus, it comes with disposable PolishMates towels to make application easy. This 3-step system is perfect for extending the life of reusable plastics while contributing to sustainability by reducing waste. The design is simple yet effective, with small, travel-friendly bottles that are easy to handle. However, it's worth noting that the smaller size means you might run out quickly if you're undertaking larger projects. Now, performance-wise, this kit does an excellent job of restoring clarity to acrylic surfaces like headlights, plastic covers, and even protective shields. That said, you need to be cautious when using it on coated plastics or UV-protected surfaces, as it might cause damage. This product stands out for its versatility and environmental consideration, making it a solid option for occasional use. However, the smaller size and warnings on certain materials might be limiting for some users. Overall, it's a reliable choice for smaller, detailed restoration jobs. Coming in at number 3, we have the Novus PK1-8 Plastic Care Kit. This is a larger version of the Novus 7136, offering 8-ounce bottles for each of its 3 polish formulas. This makes it a better option for larger projects or frequent use. The 3-step system remains consistent. Number 1 for cleaning and shining. Number 2 for fine scratch removal. And number 3 for heavy scratch removal. It also includes disposable PolishMates towels for easy application. The larger bottles are a significant upgrade for anyone working on larger surfaces, like acrylic panels, motorcycle windshields, or even polycarbonate furniture. The system works effectively to restore clarity and remove blemishes from most plastics. However, as with its smaller counterpart, you need to avoid using it on coated plastics, UV-protected surfaces, or eyeglass lenses. This limitation can be a drawback if you need an all-purpose polish. The Novus PK1-8 is an excellent choice for those who need a comprehensive kit with plenty of product for multiple uses. It's versatile, effective, and environmentally friendly, but the material restrictions mean it's not the perfect choice for everyone. Still, it offers great value for anyone focused on acrylic or similar surfaces. At number 2, we have the Novus PK1-8OZPM Plastic Care Kit, which builds on the features of the previous Novus kits, but includes an extra pack of PolishMates disposable towels. This addition makes it an even more convenient option, especially for users who want a complete, ready-to-go solution. Like the other Novus kits, it features the 3-step system for cleaning, fine scratch removal, and heavy scratch removal. The extra towels might seem like a small touch, but they make a big difference for anyone undertaking larger or more intricate projects. This kit performs exceptionally well on acrylics and plastics, restoring clarity and removing scratches effectively. However, the same caveats apply. You'll want to avoid using it on coated plastics or UV-protected surfaces. This kit is perfect for users who need a high-quality plastic polish that's easy to use and comes with all the extras for a seamless experience. While it doesn't differ much from the Novus PK1-8 in terms of formula, The additional towels and thoughtful packaging give it a slight edge for convenience. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Car Guys Plastic Restorer. This product is a game changer for anyone looking to restore and protect plastic, rubber, and vinyl surfaces. At $25.87, it's competitively priced and delivers results that last for several months. The kit includes an 8-ounce bottle of the restorer and a foam applicator, making it user-friendly right out of the box. What sets this product apart is its water-repellent formula that ensures no streaking, even after rain. Unlike many other products on the market, it dries completely to the touch, so you won't have to deal with oily or greasy residue. It's perfect for both interior and exterior surfaces, making it highly versatile. The high-quality formula is mixed and bottled in the USA, and the company stands behind its product with excellent customer support. The Car Guys Plastic Restorer is ideal for anyone who wants a low-maintenance, long-lasting solution to renew faded plastics and trims. While it doesn't focus on scratch removal like the Novus kits, its durability and ease of use make it the best overall choice for restoring and maintaining plastic surfaces. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in making your next purchase decision. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. Have questions or want to share your experience with any of these products? Drop a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy restoring.